Here's the reality of content creation. The algorithm wants consistency. It wants volume. Post every day, they say. Show up every week. But creating one original video, scripting, recording, editing, takes time. Real time. If you need 20 videos a week, you're looking at days of work. And most creators, when they do the math, decide it's not worth it. So they post once. Maybe twice. Then they go quiet. The algorithm stops favoring them. Their audience stops growing. Their offer stops getting seen. But here's the thing. There is a completely different way to think about this. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Look at the top creators in your niche. The ones with millions of views. They've already solved the hardest part of content creation. The hook. The first 2 to 3 seconds that stop someone mid-scroll and make them watch. They've tested it. They've refined it. Their audience has validated it. Millions of people chose to keep watching. Now here's the question. What if you didn't create hooks from scratch? What if you took their proven opening, added your own offer at the end, stitched them together, and posted it? You credit the original creator. You add your own value with the call to action. Whether you're promoting an app, a course, a service, a product, anything you offer, this works. The hook does the stopping. Your CTA does the selling. That is the entire strategy. If you're finding this useful, subscribe. New videos like this drop every week on SmartBloom AI. And don't forget, there's a free step-by-step blueprint in the description below. Download it. It has every prompt, every command, and the full folder structure ready to go. Let me show you exactly how this works as a repeatable system. There are 4 steps. Step 1, scrape. You download short clips from creators in your niche using a free tool called yt-dlp. You're taking just the first 5 seconds of their video. That's the hook. Step 2, capture. You screen record your own offer. Show your product in action. Keep it short. 5 to 10 seconds. Show what it does, not what it is. Step 3, stitch. You use a free tool called FFmpeg to combine the hook, a short transition, and your CTA into one seamless video. One command. That's it. Step 4, organize. You store everything in campaign folders. 1 folder per creator. 1 folder per offer feature. Run 5 campaigns and you have 100 videos ready to post. Let's start with scraping. Install yt-dlp, it's completely free and open source. Then point it at any creator's YouTube channel. It downloads everything automatically. Once you have the videos, run one FFmpeg command to extract just the first 5 seconds from each one. That 5-second clip is your hook. Organize them by creator and by topic inside your hooks folder. Now for recording your CTAs. Open CapCut, free on desktop and mobile. Screen record your offer. Show the key action. Whatever makes your offer valuable, show that. Keep it between 5 and 10 seconds. Add a simple text overlay. Something like try it free or available now or link in bio. Export as an MP4 and drop it in your CTAs folder. Now you have reusable assets for every video in this campaign. Now we stitch. Create a simple text file called concat.txt. Inside it, list 3 files in order. Your hook, your transition, your CTA. Then run one FFmpeg command pointing at that file. FFmpeg reads the list and combines all 3 clips into one seamless video. That's your first stitched video done. Now, doing this manually for 20 videos is tedious. So instead, paste the batch automation prompt into Claude Code. Tell it you have 20 hooks, 5 CTAs, and 1 transition. Ask it to write a script that randomly pairs each hook with a CTA and stitches all 20. Claude writes the script. You run it once. All 20 videos are done in 2 to 3 minutes. Your output folder fills up automatically. Here's what you get from one batch. 20 finished videos. Each one starts with a proven hook from a creator who has already earned millions of views in your niche. It shows your offer in action. It ends with a clear call to action. The whole thing is 8 to 15 seconds, perfect length for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And every single video credits the original creator in the caption. Now you can post every day. Across every platform. Consistently. The algorithm rewards that. Your audience grows. Your offer gets seen daily. Think about what that means over a month. 20 videos a week. 80 videos a month. All with proven hooks. All driving traffic to your offer. That is what volume content done right actually looks like. One last thing before you go. Always credit the original creator. Put their handle in your caption. Every single time. You are remixing their work, not stealing it. You are adding value with your offer. You are giving them additional exposure to a new audience. That is how this stays fair for everyone. The free blueprint in the description below covers everything you just watched: the folder structure, the FFmpeg commands, the Claude Code prompt, the caption template, all of it ready to copy and use. If this helped you, drop a comment below. I read every one. And I'll see you in the next one.